Hey friends, Rogers Motor Cars here. We've got a really beautiful car. This is a 2020 Rolls-Royce Dawn, 29,000 miles. Absolutely beautiful, has a burgundy soft top. Gorgeous car, got it from a local Houston client. Good tires, really nice. The paint has a full exterior PPF paint protection done. There's no scratches, no dents. It's been serviced. V12. I think it's 563 horsepower on these. Big heavy car, but it will get up and go. Absolutely gorgeous. Take a quick look inside. Of course, the Dawn has the suicide doors. Look at that. And you've got that burgundy and white interior. Matches the top. And up here you've got your door buttons. You can open and close the doors with these buttons without having to reach. This one does have the driver assistance package, heads up display, lane departure, pedestrian warning. It's got the massage seats as well. They're also heated and cooled. It's got navigation. It's got this beautiful wood veneer inside. Very comfortable, very nice. Take a look at the bolster here. No wear and tear at all. Beautiful car, back seat. This car is in perfect condition. Absolutely gorgeous. We can deliver this car to you anywhere in the country. Can send it enclosed trailer, no problem, right to your driveway. If you're financing, we have a few options for you, or you can bring your own financing, no problem. Paying cash, that's always easy. We do offer extended warranties. Love this car. Fun fact, you can actually put the top down, up and down while you're driving under a certain speed, but you don't have to come to a complete stop, which is nice. Sometimes you want to put it down at a stoplight and it's not finished. The light turns green. Well, in this car, you can do it while you're rolling. And it operates pretty fast too, so. Hope to hear from you on this one. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel, like this video, go check out our other stuff. Hope to hear from you. Follow us on Instagram as well, Rogers_Motorcars. Thank you.